Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make roast beef. People love it, I love it, my family loves it. We just love roast beef. So let's get started with this wonderful treat. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So this is the top side of beef, and here I am giving it a drizzle with olive oil, and I'm going to rub olive oil all over it. And then I sprinkle some salt and rub the salt nicely. Give it a good rub. And then I'm sprinkling some black pepper. Again the same thing, rub it all over. I also like adding chili flakes, so I sprinkle a couple of tablespoons of chili flakes all over and rub it again. Now let's get a pan on high heat and put some oil in it. So you need a nice brown coating. So you need a crispy brown coating all over on all sides of the meat. Once you feel that you've got a little bit of color, turn the side of the meat. I'm not going fancy today, I'm just going to use whatever I have in the house. So here is some onions, garlic, carrots, parsnips, and few sprigs of rosemary. Once the meat is done, I put it on the trivet and pour all the juices from the pan on top of it, so that the vegetables will soak up all the juices of the beef, and it will create a lovely, delicious base for a gravy. So I cook it on 190 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. If you want your beef to be tender, you cook it for an hour and 15 minutes. I cooked it for longer because all of us like it nicely done and melt in the mouth beef. So I just cooked it for 2 hours, and look at that, really beautiful. Let it rest for half an hour. So here is the most delicious, most wonderful, most beautiful recipe of a beef roast. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I do encourage you to make it. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so that you can be notified of my future videos. Until next time guys, I hope you have a good week. God bless you. Bye bye.